Ever wondered how a digital camera works? How does this small device capture the beauty of the world and bring it to your screens in seconds? Today, we'll demystify the magic behind these intricate machines. For those who live and breathe photography, understanding how your camera functions can elevate your craft to new heights. So let's delve into the journey of light, the transformation into electrical voltages, and the role of the memory card. Embark on this journey to understand the inner workings of a digital camera. The magic begins with light, the essential element of any photograph. Imagine a scene unfolding before your camera, bathed in light. This light bounces off the scene, dancing its way into your camera lens. As you depress the shutter button, the shutter opens, allowing this light to pass through. It's a process quite similar to how our eyes work, the way light enters through our pupils, reaching the back of our eyes. Consider your camera as an artificial eye. The lens, like our cornea, focuses the light, while the shutter, akin to our eyelids, controls the amount of light entering. This journey of light is the same for all types of cameras, whether it's the vintage film camera your grandparents used or the high-tech digital camera you just bought. However, it's the next phase of this journey, the translation of light into images, that differentiates these two types of cameras. So far, the journey of light is the same for both film and digital cameras, but what happens next sets them apart. In a digital camera, the story takes a turn after the light passes through the open shutter. This light, a medley of moments captured in a blink, now embarks on a new journey. It meets the image sensor, a silent observer that plays a pivotal role in the creation of every digital photograph. The image sensor, like an artist with a blank canvas, translates this light into electrical voltages. Each tiny sensor or pixel on the image sensor plate records a voltage level corresponding to the light intensity it receives. Imagine it as a grand orchestra, where each musician plays a unique note to create a symphony of light and color. But the symphony needs refining. The raw electrical voltages are like rough diamonds, full of potential but requiring precision and care to truly shine. The camera's processor steps in, playing the role of a master gem cutter. It eliminates noise, those unwanted specks and grains that can mar an image. It calculates color values, determining the hue, saturation, and brightness of each pixel. The processor then weaves these refined elements into an image data file. This file, a digital tapestry of light and color, is the final photograph as we know it. It's written to a digital memory card, safely stored until it's ready to be shared with the world. This complex process happens in a fraction of a second, preparing the camera to capture the next exposure. Now, you might be wondering, where does this image data file go next? Good question. Once the image sensor has translated the light into electrical voltages, those voltages are then processed into an image data file. This file is like a blueprint of the photograph you've just taken, containing all the visual information captured by your camera. This blueprint is then written to a digital memory card. Think of the memory card as a library. Each image data file is like a book, filled with intricate details that make up your photograph. The memory card stores these books, ready for you to view, edit, or share whenever you choose. But that's not all. As soon as the image data file is safely stored in the memory card, your camera immediately prepares for the next exposure. It resets, ready to capture the next moment, the next scene, the next memory. The memory card is the final stop in the journey of light inside a digital camera. So, that's how a digital camera works. Simple, isn't it? In essence, the marvel of photography is a dance of light. This ethereal entity bounces off the world around us, entering our lens, journeying through the open shutter, and finally reaching the image sensor. It's here that the magic truly happens. Light transforms into electrical voltages, encoding the vibrant colors and intricate details of the scene we've captured. This information, though, is raw and unrefined. It needs to be processed to eliminate noise and calculate the true color values of our image. Once polished, this data becomes an image file that is promptly written onto a digital memory card, a secure vault for our precious moments. And just like that, the camera is ready for the next exposure, primed to capture another slice of life, another memory. It all occurs in a split second, a testament to the remarkable efficiency of digital photography. Next time you click a photograph, remember the incredible journey of light that makes it all possible.